5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, gang? We playing spoons?
Yeah. You can't just take it back.
I got mine.
Are you doing the statue?
Sorry.
Oh. Oh.
You're gonna light it when it's above our head.
This is the actuator for a screw gun.
People have started 3D printing houses.
Really? All right, see you guys.
Right on 3, 1, 2, 3, run!
All right, let's press.